Today, I grow my very own carrot garden.
Dad! Can I help? I want to grow carrots too.
Whoa! This spot is perfect for carrots.
It feels soft and crumbly. This must be good.
Dad, it feels like cookie crumbs.
This already looks like a real garden.
We make small rows, not too deep, and keep them straight.
Like that? Like this, Dad?
You're doing great, son.
Cover them lightly so they can still breathe. Gently, Aiden. Carrots don't like too much water.
It looks like tiny rain.
Dad, they're alive!
Our carrots, they're really growing.
Aiden, they still need more time underground.
Today is perfect. They're ready to harvest.
Go ahead, son. Wow!
It's huge!
Aiden, Leo,
This is beautiful. You grew all of these?
Our first father-son harvest.
I'm proud of you both, my little farmers.
Here you go, Leo. Hey,
That was mine!
even the rabbit loves your carrots. We passed the bunny taste test. My new farm life begins today. Wow, heavier than I remember. I'll make this place shine. Dad, you're finally here. It is the best. Let's build the best farm ever.
This place needs cleaning.
Cleaning? Easy. Whoa, what happened here?
Dad, watch your step!
Aiden, watch your step.
Totally fine. I'm fine. Fine. Hello, you're friendly. Not the hairstyle, please.
Oops! Sorry! Sorry!
Lion! Stop helping! just organizing things. Maybe start with gentle sweeping. We're doing great, right?
Amazing teamwork.
My first real farm success.
See? Farming isn't so scary.
This farm will be legendary. Ow! What was that for?
No! My first egg!
We'll find more tomorrow. I thought I fixed this yesterday.
But I've been good. The chicken on. The chickens are gone.
After them. Split up.
Come here, little ladies.
Too much. That's one way to gather them. Wah! Easy, steady. Not again. Not again.
Need help again? Chickens can't resist these. Okay, that.
It's working.
Don't scare them now.
Almost there.
We're doing it!
Locked properly this time.
Calm thinking works best.
Chicken crisis solved. Let's hope they stay inside now.
Aden?
Not again.
She loves flowers. How hard can it be?
Roses, tulips, daisies. Perfect mix. A little here and a lot there. Oh. Oh, that's a lot of love.
She's here already?
Aiden, the farm looks lovely.
I prepared something special for you. Ta-da! Your own flower garden.
Darling? What kind of flower is this mixture?
A creative mixed bouquet. Still avoiding dirt, Luxie?
Let me help a little, darling.
Roses together. Tulips in their own line.
You make everything look so easy.
Come, gentle hands.
It actually looks beautiful now.
Thank you for trying so hard.
I just wanted to make you proud. I already am. Okay, maybe not that one. Everything looks perfect today. So, let's have a look at our new irrigation system. Farm Inspection Day.
Father, I'm here to check your workflow efficiency.
Efficiency? Efficiency.
Something's rattling in the irrigation pipes.
This valve isn't supposed to be twisted like this. Maybe I gave it extra love? Rule 1. Never tighten the pressure valve.
Should we turn it off?
Relax. I know what I'm doing.
That's not good.
What? Why? Why? Gah! Cold. This is why we follow procedure. Step back. Let me fix it.
Hey, it worked!
I think I tightened it too much.
Father, none of this matches the manual. Okay, maybe I need help.
Step 1. Read this. So that's what this button does. With structure, the farm thrives. Much better than before. Father, please follow the manual. We need to install the new irrigation system by tomorrow.
By tomorrow, Eric?
Yes, it is urgent. Come on, start. That's not good. I might have touched something. Or everything. Everything.
John's on the way.
Heard your tractor's crying again. Let's see what we're working with. Yep, something's definitely wrong. Careful, don't touch anything. What does this pop? What does this do? Yay. Okay, not that button. Ah, the old engine trouble again.
Don't worry, John. We'll fix it together.
Let the fixer do the fixing.
Della picnics and song.
This one's the troublemaker. Should I help?
No.
There we go.
Try it now.
Please work.
It's alive.
John, you're a genius. You're a genius. Just doing my job, sir. Back in action. Ah. Sir, please stop touching things. Everything looks good today.
Barron's coming.
System upgrade initiated. I built a smart farm control app. So many buttons.
Whoa! A flying robot!
Drone watering mode activated. Amazing! Moisture detection online. What does this one do? Don't press anything. Uh-oh.
Too much.
Cold. Cold. Cold.
That was the emergency flush command. Resetting base station. Override engaged.
It's coming down.
That button was dangerous.
You are using Toga. Use it only with instructions.
No more experiments.
High tech is awesome. System stable.
Don't! I'm not touching. This year, we win that pumpkin contest.
I got the giant seeds right here. Wow.
All right, team. First step, dig a hole about 50 centimeters wide.
See? Easy. Totally easy.
Loose, rich soil helps the roots spread easily. Place each seed about 2 to 3 centimeters deep.
Maybe not so fast?
Water lightly. Keep the soil moist, not soaked.
Mine looks creative.
Never use strong fertilizer. It causes rapid and unstable growth.
That's not normal.
It's growing too well. Aden, it's escaping.
Why is it so fast?
Here,
Pepperlane.
Push together. We did it.
Barely.
Barely.
It's unusually creative.
It's solid enough.
We're entering it, no matter what.
that is quite a pumpkin.
I have never seen anything like it. Winner of Most Creative Pumpkin. Put it down.
Aiden! Aiden! Look out!
The storm really hit us last night.
How do we fix something this big?
Don't worry, we can repair it properly.
First, we check the support beams. Then, we remove the broken planks. Finally, we secure new ones.
Safety first. We don't rush, and we don't climb without checking.
Always check the support beams first. If they're weak, everything else is weak.
Aiden, hold the hammer correctly. Tools matter.
Step 2. Remove the damaged planks so they don't cause more trouble.
I'll keep the broken ones out of the way.
Now we add a strong new beam to support the roof.
Nails incoming. Slow and steady. Precision keeps the barn safe. I'll show I can hammer fast. That's what happens when you rush. Watch out! The wind is picking up. This is why we secure the beams first. Okay, I'll just keep handing tools. Teamwork feels pretty good.
The barn is safe and strong again.
Feels really solid. He still needs practice. One step at a time, Aiden. That's how real repair work is done. We actually fixed it. And we did it right. Okay. Maybe no more tapping. Today, we finished the hay work.
What's wrong? You look panicked.
I lost the tractor key. Again. Maybe when I fed the chickens, or fixed the fence, or checked the carrots. Maybe all three? Hey, Luxie, where are you going now? Luxie, did you see a key anywhere? Right, Joe?
Still nothing here.
Not a thing.
It's not here either.
These footprints, they are tiny. Tiny.
Oh no! Luxie took my key? Luxie, please tell me you didn't bury my key.
Aiden, check that little nest.
Luxie! This is your treasure stash? You saved it in your secret vault. Well, at least she didn't lose it. Back in action. In action. Hey! Luxie, come back with that. She's collecting again?
Collecting again!